What are you
There's
thinking?
Sid.
Listen, I have booked a separate room for you two. You must spend the entire day here tomorrow. Have loads of fun, baby. Have loads of fun.
Thank you
I
so
love you.
much. I love you. Thank you.
Enjoy, baby.
Surprise!
Tess, what are you doing here?
Why? You're not happy to see me here? And what's the use of singing alone? Someone must listen to it, so I came here.
That is all right, but what are you doing here? How did you come here?
What do you mean? Has Sir booked the entire hotel for you? Look, Sid, don't worry, I've booked another room for myself. And actually, my mom has gone to a party, so I came to this hotel. Look, if you have a problem, then I will leave.
Where are you going? Did I ask you to leave? Look, Tess, I didn't go to the office. You have also come here. We have to show the final presentation to Murani tomorrow. Will the team be able to do it?
All you can ever think is work and work. They will find a way to manage, Sid. Okay, listen. You have never sung a song for me, Sid. Please sing a song for me.
Tess, you know very well that I don't sing for anyone. So please.
Why? You sang for Mithai at Rajiv's place, isn't it?
Tess, please don't start again. You very well know why I sang at Rajiv's house, am I right? Look, Tess, I have come here to relax for some time, yeah? Please don't pick up these topics, please.
Okay, I'm sorry. It's my fault. Please sing a song.
I'm not in the mood. Anyway, let's go to a coffee shop. I'm hungry.
Okay, fine. We will do as you say. I can't understand your mood. Let's go from here now. Let's go.
Mithai and Siddharth aren't going anywhere, so don't celebrate.
Mithai,
Yes,
you're upset, aren't you?
upset. Why will I be upset, Aunt Opa? I am happy that I didn't have to go with Mr. Bittergard. Oh Lord, he's so arrogant. He is intolerable. Tomorrow at the factory, I have to discuss with Rosa, my uncle, about the cottage cheese. I couldn't go to the factory today. Brother Ratul, have you spoken to Sister Nipa on the phone? What she said, how is she?
Nipa is fine, Mithai. She was angry with Shri, but everything is fine, don't worry. Hey, everyone, listen. Can I suggest something? If we all go to Maithun, how will it be? Mithai will also travel and she will feel better. We won't ask Mr. Bittergod, don't worry. Hmm? What do you all say?
No. Does Mithai have the time for all this? Hey, I'm running a business. You all go.
Mithai,
Yes.
It's enough now. Stop for a moment. You don't have to go to the base kitchen for a few days. Look, Shom is already upset. Give him some time. Let him calm down. Then you join the business, Mithai. I know you're not feeling well. And at this time, what is the use of stuff, big utensils? Leave it. It doesn't matter. Today, I promise you, Mithai. This time, I'll talk to Siddharth once he comes home.
Well done. I mean, Mom darling, keep up with this heroic attitude of yours.
Torsha has planned this entire episode. I'm telling you, mark my words. Torsha has brainwashed Siddharth.
What is all this? Do we have to tolerate Tess again? When did she come?
Now, just before you came.
You are unnecessarily blaming Torsha. Oh, come on. How can someone like Mr. Bitterguard take me to such a grand hotel? Seriously, the things you say. Uncle and aunt are just like grandfather. Didn't you see how they gave me a gift? That is why whatever has happened, it's best. Anyway, Mithai could never have gone with Mr. Bitterguard. The Lord has helped me.
Finished. Then I don't think it's a big deal. Nanda, let's go. It's midnight already. Mom darling, come, let me drop you on my way.
I'm leaving, Shri. My child, smile now, okay?
Eee.
Keep smiling. I'm leaving.
Mithai. Mithai, I'll tell your Lord Gopal to bless my brother with some good sense. If only my brother had taken our advice instead of listening to Torsha.
Yes, Mom. Tell me.
Hi, baby. All well? Did Sid mind you being there with him?
Not really. At first, he was shocked, but now he's fine.
Okay. Mr. Samresh, don't worry, everything is good. Yes, actually, Mr. Samresh was saying that
family members might bring mithai there.
be very careful, Tess. Both of them must not stay together in one room. You have to see that, right? Otherwise, immediate divorce will be extremely difficult. You know what I'm saying, right? Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, Mom, I'm getting it. But,
Tess, what are you doing here?
Sid, I will just join you. Wait a moment. Mom, Sid is calling me. I'll call you later, okay?
Bye, baby. Bye.
Bye.
There is nothing to worry about, Mr. Samresh. They are spending time together like before.
How do I thank you for this?
You don't have to say anything. Mr. Samresh, you know, I want my daughter's well being. I just want my daughter to be happy. That's it. Tess is deeply in love with Sid. And someday, Sid will understand that. I'm sure.
I don't know, Mrs. Roy. I've never been a able to understand my son. Sometimes I feel had his mother been alive, he wouldn't have misunderstood so much. Though I'm his father, I cannot really speak to him.
Have some patience. Let Tess come into Sid's life. After that, whatever misunderstanding has been between you two, Tess will clear all that, I'm sure. You will see. Please don't worry. Please.
Good morning. It's good that you are in your room. I thought you have gone to the gym. Listen, place an order for coffee.
No need to order. I'll make it for you. Okay?
Sid, please, I'm saying don't do it. Wait. Yes, room number 2409. Yes, please send one hazelnut coffee with milk and brown sugar. Thank you.
Well, did you sleep well last night?
Yeah, but I was unable to sleep on time. Anyway, hasn't anyone called you from your home?
Strangely not. I really don't know how.
I guess everyone knows now that Mithai can't be your wife. So be it, Lord. I think the coffee is here.
So fast. You just ordered, right? So, how come you all are here?
Look, Siddharth, this time you can't blame me. Believe me, I told your sir repeatedly not to disturb you and Mithai. But he didn't listen and came here. Hey, no, there is nothing to worry about. Actually, we came here for some work. So, your uncle wanted to invite you both for a breakfast.
Where is Mithai? Are we going to wait
Yes.
here? I can't hear Mithai's voice. Mithai, where are you? Mithai? Mithai? Mithai?
Mithai, your uncle. What is this, Tosha? Why are you here?
Ma'am, actually, Mithai was.
Mithai has gone for a walk, sir. Actually, my mom arranged a party yesterday, so some people have stayed here in the same hotel. And you can see I came here in the morning to have coffee with Mithai and Sid. So please wait for us in the coffee shop. Hey Sid, go and find Mithai. I will wait with sir outside.
Okay.
Listen, let's go and wait outside. Torsha can change her dress.
Yes, that is better. Siddharth, bring Mithai down with you.
Sid, call someone and ask them to bring Mithai here somehow. So we'll get upset if he doesn't see Mithai over here.
How did I call and tell them this? And whom would I tell?
What is going on, Sandy? Sid hasn't called even once. Auntie, this is not right. Why is he insulting Mithai?
Ratul, you're not yet the family member of this house. Why are you talking so much?
But I think, Rajiv, everyone has the right to speak the truth. I agree with Ratul on this matter.
I have made up my mind. I won't let Mithai do any work for Siddharth. If Mithai has to live like a daughter-in-law of this house, then she will have to live like that. She will not speak to my brother again.
She is another one. Always angry. We all want to see both of them always together. Shri, after your marriage, if you have to simply live only like a daughter in law, if you don't get your husband's love, would you really like that?
But
Tell me.
Nanda, we can't just keep dreaming. Mithai and Siddharth's union is an impossible dream. It can either come true or may not come true.
Hey, why are you saying this? For how long can our Sid stay away from her? All of us will keep trying to unite the two of them. I'm sure one day we will be successful.
Enough. That's it. Listen, everybody. You all very well know that I believe my wife. Now that Nanda has said that we are going to win, then we will surely win. And very soon our Nipa and Ratul will get engaged. Festival is around the corner. We will do whatever it takes. We will put all efforts ultimately and we will succeed. What do you say? Do you all agree?
Right.
Does everyone really love Mithai so much?
Come on, Shri. Hmm.
Okay. Will I be able to fulfill their wishes ever? Will they feel for me, oh Lord?
Trust me, now I need a cup of tea.
Right.
And there he goes
Ugh.
again.
No, I
Yes,
also
of
want
course.
Here comes Mithai with tea at the right
Tea.
time. You know what?
Hey,
You live
thank
for
you.
100 years.
Thank
Come
you,
on.
Can we
Mithai.
drink tea without giving it to you?
One more. Come on. Sandy, have tea. Sandy,
What?
tea.
Yes.
What's the matter? Is something very important on your phone?
No, what are you saying, Brother Rajiv? A special someone.
Mithai,
What?
can you please come here? Can you please come and check what message has come in your brother-in-law's phone?
Brother Rajiv, I'm telling you, there is nothing important. Mithai, you don't worry about it, please.
Sandy, you will say and I'll believe you. Mithai, take a look. You are a sister-in-law.
What? Me? His sister-in-law?
I'm not. Listen, Mithai. Sister-in-laws have special authority over their brother-in-law, as I have over him.
Correct.
Hey, Brother Sandy. Who has messaged you? What are you worrying about?
See, Mithai, I'm not worried about anything. Please just relax.
Mithai ultimately will not be able to read the message. I will
Hey,
do
be
the
careful,
honor.
careful.
Give me my phone. Let me see the message myself.
Siddharth has sent you a message. Brother has sent you a message and you're also reading it. Aunt, just look at him. It seems like he has to take Mithai to the hotel.
Okay, Shri, brother is saying that he's in trouble. Let me call him.
Let him be in trouble. He would be in trouble, I'm telling you.
Shri, what's the trouble? We need to know it.
Exactly.
There is no need to know what trouble he is in.
Listen, Shri, you don't get upset. Please calm
No,
down.
no, no,
okay?
brother-in-law, please. Please don't ask me to be calm now. Everything has a limit. And he has crossed all limits now. When he was supposed to take her, he didn't take her. And now he is messaging to bring her to the hotel. I mean, what is this? Mithai will not go to the hotel, that's it.
Brother Sandy, call him and see what's the matter. If needed, then let's go there. Look, if a family member is in need and we do not support him, won't grandfather feel hurt? After all, he's grandfather's grandson, the son of this house. Everyone has so many expectations from Siddharth. Brother, please call him and see what has happened. Sister, get me ready, please.
I'll go along with you, Mithai. I won't leave you alone.
There is some
What?
news. Brother Sid's boss
Huh?
and boss's wife
All right.
have reached the hotel without informing.
Really?
And guess what?
What?
They want to see Mithai.
Really?
Lord is always there, brother Rajiv.
I got it. Siddharth is bound to seek Mithai's help.
Yes.
Hey, sister, uncle must be waiting for me there. What would he think if I'm late to arrive? Get me ready quickly. Don't delay.